Hello trader, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the FundedNext calculator to calculate your margin on your FundedNext account. Whether you are still in the challenge level or in the funded level, then I'm going to be showing you how to use the FundedNext calculator to calculate your margin. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you will know the highest loss size you're going to be using on your FundedNext account so that you will not breach the margin rule while you are trading. Okay guys, let us go to my FundedNext account so I'll teach you how to do it. Okay guys, now this is the FundedNext official website. You all know that, and this is, I think I have an account with FundedNext, a 15k account that I've passed the phase 1, and I've also, this is the phase 1 and I've passed the phase 2, so I'm just trying to verify it. I'm seeing the verification step, so I'll be using this 15k as the teaching process. So maybe after the verification, then I'll get funded and start trading on the accounts properly. So first of all, to calculate your margin on FundedNext official website, you need to go to this particular place where they wrote calculator. You can see it there. Then if you click on it, that's the FundedNext calculator. Then you see this particular place. Here we have margin calculator, we have profit and loss calculator, we have the loss size calculator, we have a swap calculator. But for this particular video, I will just focus on margin calculator. So you know how you are calculating your margin, how FundedNext calculate their margin at a particular point in time. So this margin will help you with the loss size you're using to execute any trade of your choice. You understand? So let us go to the main topic of today. First of all, you ask account model. If you click on the drawdown menu, you see we have the evaluation, the express, step 1, step 2, stellarize, and stellar instant. But for my account is stellar 2-step account. Do you understand? If that 15k is stellar 2-step account, you can see I have phase 1, then I have phase 2 as well. Then if they ask you which phase, it is either you are in the challenge phase or you are in the FundedNext phase. You understand? The challenge phase is when you are still trying to pass the phase 1 and phase 2. Then the FundedNext phase is when you are being funded. You understand? When you are being funded. But there's no difference. It's still the same thing. It's still the same method. There's no majority. There's no difference. They still use the same below 70% margin rule. You understand? Then this is the challenge phase. The next one is the account balance. My account balance here is 15k, so you can choose your own account balance depending on your own account model. So this is my 15k account, and then the instrument that I'm trading is actually currency pairs. I trade currency pairs, but for now I'm going to use gold for the example. You understand? Because there are so many currency pairs here. Because most people actually trade gold, so we'll be using gold as an example. XAUSD, so this is XAUSD, and then this one is system will give it to you. The exchange rate system will give it to you. Now next thing we do now is just impute the loss size we are trying to use to execute your trade. So let's say you are risking 1% or 0.2%, then you have to come to calculator to check the risk if it's actually aligned with the margin. Do you understand? So let's say we want to trade on the 15k account with 0.1 loss size. Let's say 0.1 loss size. Then if you click on calculate, then FundedNext will calculate the margin for you and then give you the results. You see, this is the results. You understand? Then go to this particular place and read this thing that they wrote below here. You see what they say there as opening a 0.1 loss position. Do you understand? Utilizes 20% margin. So 20% margin is when if you're using 0.1 loss size, using 20% of your margin. The in 15k account, do you understand? So it's not a low margin and it is actually good. Do you understand? Let's increase it to something like 0.5 and then click on calculate. Now you see that the margin is now higher. The margin is even bigger than the capital. This is 16k. You understand? But the capital is 15k. So if you use this type of loss size on 15k account, definitely FundedNext will flag you for aggressive trading or excessive risking. That's risking above the margin level. I can see the margin level here is 111. You understand? The 111 margin is what we have here. I know that FundedNext says you should be using below 70% margin rule. You understand? Then let's reduce it to something like 0.4. No, let's keep it 0.3. Let's see how it goes. Click on calculate. Let's see the margin. So the margin here is 67%. You understand? And this is the result. So you'll be utilizing $10,000 of the account You understand? So this is just how it works. It will give you the percentage of the margin. Okay, let's add 0.35 here. Let's see if it will surpass the 70% margin. You can see that what we have here is 78%. Do you understand? Which is 8% more aggressive than the 8% more aggressive than the normal margin. You understand? So that's it. So 0.35 can, if you use 0.35 on a 50k account, then FundedNext will actually flag you. 0.35 can also be accumulatively. Do you understand? You can use 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, and another 0.1 into 3 or into 4. You understand? And once the total margin, total loss that you are using is being calculated on the running trade at a particular point in time, and if it is above that particular margin, then FundedNext will flag you. So 0.35 does not mean that you can use 0.2 and another 0.1, 0.1. Once they calculate it based on all the trade that is running on your MT5, if they calculate all the loss, even if it's 5 trade, they'll calculate all the loss on that 5 trade. If it's above the margin level, then FundedNext is going to flag you. So always check your risk whenever you're trading with FundedNext. So in the next video, I'll be showing how to use the profit loss calculator and also the loss size calculator and also swap calculator. So all you need to do now is just go to the description of this particular video and check anyone you want to watch and then watch it there. If you are new to FundedNext, the link to sign up with FundedNext is in the description of this particular video. Don't forget to use my coupon code JCTrade. So you'll be getting a 120 refund bonus whenever you're making your withdrawal from FundedNext. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.